or just take the letters assessment that they offer through Nearpod. Not something I created, just something I found. I just wanted to see how easy it was for her to move through. Now, typically the student would be on their own computer and I would be on a computer, but I wanted you guys to see what the teacher screen looked like versus the student screen. So right now we're on the student screen. I'm going to go to the teacher screen and I'm going to have Charlie move to the next slide. And then on her screen, it is moved over. And so it just states what the assessment is going to be. And the essential question today is, how does recognizing letter names and sounds help us read? And then on today's assessment, we're going to get a chance to share our knowledge on the letters M, A, S, and P. So I'm going to ask if she has any questions before we begin. So do you have any questions before we begin?
No.
No? Okay. So we're going to go on, I'm on the student screen, we go back to the teacher screen. Before we begin, let's practice. And it shows that on there. So I'm going to go over to the next one. And it's going to show her results now as we're kind of moving through. So match the letter that starts with it. So she's going to be clicking to match what letter starts. So I want you to click which letter starts with, which picture starts with A. All right, now click the A too. All right, good. You got a match. Now keep going. Okay, keep going. Good, and keep going. Okay, so now it says well done. It says wait for your teacher. So I'm going to go back to the screen, and it shows that she did 3 out of 4 on there. So I'm going to go ahead and move her on, or 4. I'm sorry, it went to 4 out of 4. So there we go. It got the last one. Okay, so now she's going to do the next one, and it says, let's try our best. This is going to be the actual assessment piece. And so again, it shows her scores, and then here she is going to be taking the quiz. So I'm going to read this since she's in kindergarten. Which letter is a capital S? So which of these is a capital S? Okay, so click it. Yep. And then she's going to go to the next one. Which letter is a lowercase a? Which letter is a capital M? Good job. Okay, and so let's look at ours, and I see that what she's getting correct so far, and she's doing a good job. And then which letter is a lowercase p? Okay. And her answers have been submitted. So now I'm going to go over, and it says the next question, she's actually going to get to draw a picture. So it says draw a picture of a word that starts with the letter P. What I like about this question is it's going to get those creative kids that do like to draw engaged in the assessment. So right now what she's going to do, draw something that starts with the letter P. So you can come down here and you see how it's marked in blue. So you can click, well, hide tools, there we go. Okay, so now we can pick something. What's something that starts with a P, Charlie?
Pink.
What's pink?
Pencil.
A pencil. Okay, so you can draw a pencil. So let's get your yellow. Go ahead and draw a line for your pencil.
Oh, black. Do you do the outline?
Yeah, here, let's use the highlighter. Go over to the highlighter. That'll be a little bit easier. Okay, and then choose your color.
Is it yellow?
Yeah. Right, so go ahead and come over here, and then you're going to, oh, there it goes. Draw your pencil. There you go, that's good.
Mom, it's gray.
That's okay. Let me change the color.
Wait, it's so hard.
Here.
Yeah,
There. Now you want the red top? Okay, click the red.
no, I need the yellow. Oh yeah, red. Staff?
Mm-hmm.
4.
Perfect. Okay, so what is that starts with a P?
Pencil.
A pencil.
I
Then
need yellow.
Oh, here, you can click submit and we can draw yellow later. There we go. Okay, so now it's going to say got it. I'm going to go back to the teacher screen and it's going to show that she submitted her pencil. And so I'm going to go to the next screen. She did an excellent job. Next, she's going to circle the pictures of the things that start with the letter S. So again, we're going to get that pencil clicked. Now, Charlie, I want you to circle what starts with an S. What else starts with an S? There's more than one. I'm going to pause you for just a second. I want to show you back on the teacher screen. I can see her in progress, so I can see as she's drawing, and they can, if the students are taking this live with me, they're going to be able to hear me talking to them, and I can say, okay, there's more than one, and I can see exactly what they're circling and if any remediation is needed. So what number is that right there?
6.
Starts with S. Good. All right, so everything, good job. So now she's going to click submit. And I'm going to go, the answer has been submitted. I'm going to close this and go over. And it says circle all the lowercase letter A. All right, so she's going to circle all the lowercase letter A's. Okay, Charlie, go through and circle all the lowercase letter A's. Okay. She's going to click submit, and then I'm going to go back to the teacher page. Again, I can see her in progress, and I can see when she's ready to move on and submit it. And then we're going to reflect on our assessment that we took. So I'm going to go over, and it says, where could you see the letters M, A, S, or P in your everyday life? Use a drawing tool or text tools to share your answer. So where could we see something that's with an M, an A, an S, or a P?